let's talk about the MySewNet feature, free feature on the Pfaff Creative Icon. So the Pfaff company has created a free location for you to save designs and then have access them anytime you have Wi-Fi. So if you're turning this machine on for the first couple times here, you can touch where it has the Wi-Fi symbol and actually go over to MySewNet. Make sure you connect to your home Wi-Fi, which I am right now, and then touch MySewNet. You can also set this account up on your computer, where you'll go to MySewNet.com, and that will assist you in finding and creating an account. You can also get your password reset or even register a new account right here. So for signing in, I need to type in my username, which it happens to be an email address, and then the password associated with it. And then I will have access to all my designs in the machine. So that is something really easy to do. I highly recommend that you try it out, get it figured out. You can always put designs on a USB stick. We have that right here in the machine. If you don't have Wi-Fi, we can also right here check the firmware update. It does say that the latest update has been installed, and that is something that you want to also do. Or if you can't do it yourself, your local service Pfaff technician can do it when they do your annual service. So it is something to help you become more successful. That does hook up with the apps on your phone that we have talked about. That all links together. The same account information for MySewNet work with the Pfaff apps. So, and those are free apps too. This is free. It is something that I don't think people realize how wonderful this is until you start using it. So what you need to do is go ahead and get your MySewNet account set up and then get logged in right here on the screen and see all the potential.